Okay, welcome back. Today, this is the third episode of how to use Blender. Now, I'm going to start with sculpting. Uh, you can also access sculpt mode here from the click mode, edit mode, sculpt mode, or from the top tabs. Sculpt mode is also here. And first, I'm gonna take this cube to the edit mode. All the vertices. Make sure all the vertices are selected. And now I'm going to press M. It's gonna merge all of the vertices. So I'm gonna press at center. So it just merged all the entire cube into this one vertex. And you can just move it around. Move it around, just extrude. And that just extrude like that until you got the base of your tree. You can just add branches in between. I'm done with making my tree. I'll just better to put all of most of the vertices that are ending facing up. So that is much more easier to add the leaves. If it's facing down, it'll be harder. Okay. After you're done with this, you can go back to edit mode. Not edit mode, object mode. You still see that it's just all lines. So I'm gonna add another modifier. It's called under generate and skin. Yes. And I'm going to apply this. Edit mode. Now you can just switch around or some decent. So I made the branches that's gonna have the leaves short. Now let's make the leaves. Since it's low poly, I'm just going to just another thing. You can actually move your 3D cursor. This is your 3D cursor. The 3D cursor is where when you add an object, it's gonna appear on the 3D. So you can add it, no, move it with a shift right click. And now I just moved it to there. Now I'm just going to add a ecosphere. Ecosphere, I'm gonna put one subdivision, so that's low poly like this, and just going to drag it into one of these branches. Okay, and now I'm going to go to sculpting mode, and at default it will be a draw. It's just I'm going to go to grab that is here. Okay, and you could just pull or put in, like each vertex that you just create some more character to your leaf. So you can just make a lot of this, or you can just make one and then repeat it for all of them. So going to also you can actually change the radius and strength. There's a shortcut for this. Just press F. You can change the radius. Yes, you can change the radius. And you can also press Shift F to change the strength. Yeah, like that. To make this smaller. And that is nice. I'm just gonna repeat that for all of them. Okay, so still looks a bit empty, so I'm just going to increase the size of some things. And also the bottom of this chunk, I'm going to make it a bit flat and much more bigger. Okay, so I've changed the shape of the road. That's the best I can do. And now, okay, so now let's just render the image. Before that, we have to actually put some materials. So for this, I'm just going to give it a light brownish material. So here, let me go to materials, material shading, it, there, the dark, that is good. Now I'm gonna actually give some different colors, just slightly different, so that it has some, not that uniform. Let's make it a bit darker, not that. A bit like that, okay. Now the other ones, I'm also going to give some more same. Okay, now I'm gonna make a new material for these three on top. A bit yellowish. So that's fine. And I will select that one to also. That is nice. Now let me just change the light because this light is not good. Put it on the right. 100. Yes. Actually going to go to camera to view so that I can here. Camera to view. There. Perfect. Remove this. Now I'll just go out of camera view and let me increase the power. It's already 1000. I'll put a 5000 and increase the radius. That I think so. We can increase it. And I put 10,000. Okay, that is nice. I'm going to render the image. This is the image. Add some more samples. Okay, so it's done. You can also render in cycles. I've already rendered in EV. It'll take much more. So this is it.